Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking the single goal for your AI video and why it must exist. This directs every choice. Once chosen, collect or generate a dataset. Aim for diversity and 1,000 plus labeled items if you can. Then make the environment reproducible. Install Python 3. 10. Queue drivers and required libraries and provision a GPU with sufficient memory. Make sure to version control configs and note any proprietary assets. Begin by training a small prototype model to validate the pipeline. You now move into model design and iterative training. Pick an architecture that fits your goal, transformer for sequence control, diffusion for imagery, and justify the choice. Start training progressively. Short runs to catch bugs, then scale batch size and learning rate carefully while watching loss and validation metrics. Once model outputs are consistent, assemble the production pipeline. Align audio generation, visuals, and timing metadata so frames match narration. Test synchronization at multiple frame rates and export intermediate renders to review pacing. You finish by optimizing and exporting. Quantize or prune the model for deployment and confirm it meets real-time constraints, then render the final video in your target codec and resolution. Once exported, run quality checks on audio sync, color grading, and compression artifacts. If something breaks, like jittery frames or audio drift, replay the failing segment with logs and enable frame-level diagnostics. This single diagnostic step reveals pipeline timing mismatches or model stutter. Finally, document versions and packaging so you can reproduce the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.